Hi everyone, this is Isabel the Shabby Hippie. I hope you're all doing well. Um, I'm here today to do an unboxing. Well, sort of, because I did take it out of the bag that it came in, which was here. But I've been having loads and loads of trouble with my camera and the microphone, so I've had to do this video several times. I believe this is the sixth time, if not the seventh already. So, yeah. Anyway, um, I just wanted to say that this is an unboxing for Craftsbuyer. They contacted me and asked me if I would like to collaborate with them, and of course I said yes. They have such wonderful, beautiful things. Um, so I got this package about a week ago, or possibly just over a week ago. But then I've had, you know me, guys. If you've been with me long enough, you know I'm always having some type of issue. So last week I was barely able to walk. Um, I had a lot of, I have sciatica, but in addition to sciatica, I have other pinched nerves that affect my legs and the movement in them. And so it gets really hard to walk. So last week was one of those weeks where I was barely able to walk. And then um, uh, after I started to feel a little better, then my back got pinched, like literally below. It was kind of like one of my shoulder blades. So it was like below the shoulder towards the center left side of my back. So it's, yeah, and then that was also very painful. And I couldn't do anything. I couldn't film. I couldn't just do anything. I couldn't do any housework, nothing. I couldn't cook. But anyway, so then when I finally decided, or not decided, but I felt well enough to try and um, do my videos, then my camera wasn't working, my microphone didn't work. I tried a new microphone, that didn't work. I tried an adapter, that didn't work. So I'm guessing that it's not my microphone and that it's my camera. So I'm trying to film from an old phone. I'm hoping that it works, because I cannot afford a camera right now. And so anyway, yeah, I'll get on with this. I'm so sorry. I'm always rambling. But anyway, so like I said, I was invited by Craftsbuyer to collaborate with them. I chose these items and they sent me this package of goodness. And then I just want you to see that you do get a packing slip when you order from them. Also, I want to, before I forget, let you know that you will have I have a discount code for you. So if you want to go in and check out their website, which I will have linked below, along with all the products that I got, you are welcome to use my, oops, guess who's here? Oh, my coupon, which I believe is Hippie 10. Um, where were you? Why are you shaking your head? And but in either case, yeah, it will be in the description area below. So yeah, and it would be 10% off your whole order. So okay, he left. He just wanted to make, his usual presence. So here we go. I'm going to start with this, and let me bring this over to the side. So when I chose this, I had no idea that it was going to be this wide, and I did measure it in one of the videos that I made before that was not able to upload, so I don't have to measure it again. But like from this point all the way up to here, it's 7¼ inches. Okay, so 7¼ inches. I'm not sure if I'm even in frame, because like I said, I'm using my phone and the phone holder is blocking my view. So I'm sorry, I'm not sure what's going on here, but this is so beautiful, guys. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? So when I bought it, well, when I chose this, I thought like the whole thing was just going to be about this wide, maybe, I don't know, just three or 3.5 inches wide, 4 at the most. But look at this, it's 7.5 inches wide, and it's gorgeous. So, okay, so let me just do this and put it to the side so you can still view it. Okay, but that I can continue with this. So yeah, and in the beginning when I first opened this, I didn't remember what I had ordered because, like I said, I've had this for over a week now. So I ordered these dies, okay, and these are campfire, like a campfire, with the log and the sticks, and it looks like a sausage, so I'm not sure if it's a sausage, a hot dog, or something. The flames, and you get the little marshmallows to roast. So yes, and I'm not sure what this is, but I'm sure that I will figure it out. So okay, so here we go with that. And then I have another die. Oops, let me put it this way. I hope you're not getting too much glare, but this is a camper die, and I can't wait to play with it. Oh, lordy, lordy. So I don't know if you can see where I'm going with this, but yeah, it's all camping related. And so is this one. Let me see if I have I had one yesterday. A sheet of paper that, so you don't see, so you can see this, but oh, that doesn't have a white background. Okay, well, I'm in a different area today, if you haven't noticed, so let me try this one here. I'm sorry for my reach. But I'll explain that in another video because yeah, it's too much. So here we go. So this is again, camping related, or hunting related. So it's got the stag, it's got another little campfire. I hope this isn't too low for you. Like a grizzly bear here, the moon, a duck, an eagle. This is a bunny. Took me a little bit to figure it out, but then when I turned it, it was easy. And then this looks like another eagle, a bird, the man with the hunting rifles, the dog, the tree. Then there are these bear claws here, or a bear claw, and then there are these little tiny stars that you can use there. So, and there's one down here as well. So yes, so I wanted to try to make you know, like an outdoors type of mini album, if I ever get the chance, because you know me. But yeah, in either case, I will be cutting out these dies, and you will be able to see, even if I don't get to make the album, you'll be able to see these dies put together, or at least 2 of them. Okay, now the other thing that I got, let me put this one on top of the other to make some more room here. There we go, I think. All right, so the other thing that I got was this. Yay! It's diamond painting. So many people are doing diamond painting, and I really have been wanting to give it a go. And when I saw this opportunity, I took it, because I don't know, it looks neat. It looks like it's a good time to, a good way to relax, and, you know, just kind of look down and put everything together. It does bring these instructions, okay? And then let me show you what I got, because it's gorgeous. Like I said, I already unboxed this before, and unfortunately had to do it several times. But so here are, well, let me start with this. It brings a little tray where you can put in your diamond dots, and I believe this is like a clay piece or something similar, waxy piece, to use with this to pick up your dots, your diamond dots, your gems. Okay, so you have that, and then here are, oh, what's that? I put it back in here. Here are the diamond dots and the gems that we got, or that I got. Sorry about the crinkling noise. Okay, and here we go. Look at these. Oh my goodness, I don't know how much you're going to be able to see here. If you're, I think you may be getting a lot of glare. I'm so sorry. But these colors are just so beautiful. I really, 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 really love these colors. I'm trying to move it all sorts of ways to see if you can catch a glimpse of the colors. Okay, and then it brings these glass. I don't want to take them all out. I'm just going to try and take one of each out. Okay, it brings these, I forgot, these do have a name, obviously, but I can't remember the right name. And they're glass. They're gorgeous. Do you see the sparkle on that? They are gorgeous. And so it brings this little hanger, okay, and I believe it brings some more jump rings, or maybe they're just the jump rings from the other hangers. I'm not sure, but I did want you to see that, okay? And let me put it right back in here because we don't want the cat getting in here and getting into this. All right, so put this here, and now look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. And by the way, everything does come packaged very nicely, and I love it. Everything is beautiful. Oops. Sorry again about the crinkling. Okay, so look at these. Aren't these beautiful? Wow. Oh my goodness, they are so beautiful. So I'm not sure what these were called. I don't know if it, I will have them linked below, so you can go check them out yourself if you like them. But I don't know if it was a dangle of some sort, or if it, I'm guessing it was a dangle because of these. But I think I don't know why, I keep thinking I got them to use as a bookmark. Okay. So, oops, sorry. But look at these beauties. They are so gorgeous. I'm so sorry about the lighting. It's, the sun keeps coming in and out. As usual, anytime that I'm going to film, this usually happens. Okay, maybe it goes that way. But these are all so beautiful, and I love them. I hope you love them too. I will be back soon. Well, as soon as my camera and my legs permit, because even though I'm better, I have been better for like 2 or 3 days. Last night I started to feel the pinch again, so usually that's not good news. So I did have an MRI done over the weekend, but don't have the results yet. But anyway, so yes, I'm so sorry about my throat too. It's just allergies, and it's really, really hot. It's in the 90s, things like 96 or something. So I hope you all like it. Thank you, Craftspire, so much for inviting me to collaborate with you. Don't forget, everyone, to check out Craftspire. The links are below. The coupon code is below. Go for it. They're gorgeous. They have gorgeous things, and it really didn't take a long time to get this. Probably, I think it was about a week and a half to 2 weeks at the most. I can't quite remember, but I don't think it took the whole 2 weeks. So again, thank you all for watching. I love you all, and pray for me and my camera and my pains and my everything, please. Thank you. I love you all. Take care. Bye-bye.